Now I extrapolate values by using growth trend from the series dialog box in the row 21. Suppose company expenses on salaries and benefits are $20,000 for the first year. Active cell reference E21. Type $20,000. Press enter key. Again active this cell. First select the cell references range. In editing group, click fill arrow button. Click series. I assume that the company salaries and benefits expenses will increase 15% per year. In type section, check the growth option. In step value box, type 1.15. Excel will multiply the each year value by 1.15 to extrapolate the next value, or the expenses value of each year will increase by multiplying 15%. Click OK. The salaries and benefits expenses are increased from year 2 to year 6 by estimating a growth rate of 15%. The 15% of $20,000 is $3,000. So the expenses of year 2 have increased at the rate of 15%. Active this cell. Enter equal sign. Click this cell reference. Enter multiplication operator. Type 15 divided by 100. Press enter key. The 15% of 20,000 is $3,000. So the expenses of year 2 increases $3,000 at the rate of 15%. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference F21. Enter multiplication operator. Type 15 divided by 100. Press enter key. The 15% of $23,000 is $3,450. The expenses of year 3 increases $3,450 at the rate of 15%. So the expenses of each year increase at the rate of 15%. Actually, Excel multiply the value of year 1 to 1.15 and returns $23,000 expenses of year 2. Let's check out. Active this cell. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference E21. Enter multiplication operator. Type 1.15. Press enter key. This value is equal to the value of year 2. So rather than I multiply 1.15 to each year value, I used series dialog box. Excel consider value 1.15 is equal to 15% and the expense value of each year increases at the rate of 15%.